In this video, I will show you how to download and install AnyDesk in Windows 11. For downloading and installing AnyDesk in Windows 11, you need to open any web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. You can open any web browser and search AnyDesk in search bar. After searching AnyDesk in search bar, press enter. When you press enter, AnyDesk website will be shown in the first link. You can see here AnyDesk, the fast remote desktop application, is showing in the first number in the page. You can see many websites available in this page. Here we simply click AnyDesk, the fast remote desktop application, and press enter. When you press enter, here download now, start business trial. Simply we click download now. When you click download now, here you have to choose where you want to download this file. I want to download this file in download folder. I simply choose download folder and click save. When you click on save, here my AnyDesk downloaded. For installing it, I will go where file is available. Here my file is available in download folder, just downloaded. For installing it, simply click on this file and open. Click on open. When you click on open, you can see our AnyDesk is opened. For installing it, simply click on install AnyDesk and click install AnyDesk on this device. Click on this. After clicking, simply click accept and install. When you click on this, you have two options, yes or no. You simply click yes, and you can see an icon of AnyDesk. It means we can use now AnyDesk in Windows 11 in any work. I hope this video help you to know how to download and install AnyDesk. If you have any query, put in the comment box.